A whale's tale from land to sea. Whales, the giants of our oceans, have a surprising history. 50 million years ago, their ancestors walked on land. These creatures were small, furry mammals, far different from the whales we know today. Their journey from land to sea is a remarkable story of evolution. Over millions of years, they transformed their bodies to survive in a watery world. Fossils tell the tale of this incredible transformation. Paleontologists have unearthed the bones of ancient whales, piecing together their evolutionary journey. These fossils reveal the gradual changes that unfolded over time. Each generation brought subtle shifts, shaping the whale lineage. The story begins in present-day Pakistan and India. This region was once a coastal area teeming with life. It was here that the ancestors of whales began their transition to the water. The environmental pressures of the time would drive their evolution in a new direction, one that would lead them to conquer the vastness of the oceans. Shifting shores, the push to the water. Around 50 million years ago, the Earth was undergoing a period of significant change. The climate was warming and sea levels were rising. This environmental upheaval had a profound impact on life on Earth, including the ancestors of whales. These small, furry mammals, likely drawn by the abundance of food in the shallows, began to spend more time in the water. This shift to an aquatic lifestyle brought about new challenges and opportunities. The ancestors of whales faced competition for food from other aquatic animals. They also had to adapt to moving and finding food in the water. Over time, natural selection favored individuals with traits that made them better suited to this semi-aquatic existence. Their legs, once used for walking on land, gradually began to change. Their bodies became more streamlined for swimming. These adaptations, though subtle at first, marked the beginning of a long and remarkable journey. The ancestors of whales were on the path to becoming fully aquatic creatures. Into the deep, the first whales take shape. One of the earliest whale ancestors was Pachycetus, a wolf-sized mammal that lived around 50 million years ago. Fossils of Pachycetus have been found in present-day Pakistan. These fossils show that Pachycetus had a long snout and a thick tail, suggesting it spent time in the water. Its ears, however, were still adapted for hearing in air. Another key fossil is Indoheus, a small, deer-like creature that lived around 48 million years ago. Indoheus had thick bones similar to those of hippos. This suggests that Indoheus was also spending time in the water, using its weight to help it stay submerged. These anatomical clues point to a semi-aquatic lifestyle. As the ancestors of whales ventured further into the water, they developed more adaptations for aquatic life. Their limbs became shorter and more paddle-like. Their tails became more muscular and their nostrils shifted toward the top of their heads. These adaptations, driven by natural selection, allowed them to move more efficiently in the water and to hold their breath for longer periods. Walking whales, a bridge between worlds. About 47 million years ago, a remarkable creature called Ambulocetus appeared in the fossil record. Ambulocetus, meaning walking whale, represents a crucial link between land-dwelling whale ancestors and fully aquatic whales. It had short, strong limbs with webbed feet, suggesting it could still walk on land. However, its long snout and streamlined body were well suited for swimming. Ambulocetus likely lived in shallow marine environments, ambushing fish and other aquatic prey. Its powerful tail and webbed feet would have propelled it through the water, while its strong limbs allowed it to navigate shallows and perhaps even haul itself onto land. This unique combination of features highlights the transitional nature of this species. Fossils of Ambulocetus and other early whales paint a vivid picture of the evolutionary journey from land to sea. They demonstrate the gradual but relentless power of natural selection, shaping organisms to thrive in new environments. These creatures were neither fully land animals nor fully aquatic, but a fascinating blend of both, showcasing the remarkable plasticity of life. Section 5. A whale's new look, adapting to the ocean. As the ancestors of whales became fully aquatic, they underwent dramatic physical transformations. Their bodies became more streamlined to reduce drag in the water. Their forelimbs evolved into flippers for steering, while their hind limbs gradually reduced in size, eventually disappearing altogether. Their tails became the primary source of propulsion, evolving into powerful flukes that moved up and down rather than side to side like fish tails. This shift in tail movement reflects a fundamental difference between whales and fish. Fish are vertebrates, meaning their spines run vertically along their backs. Whales, as mammals, also have vertical spines. To swim efficiently, they evolved to move their tails up and down in line with their spines. This vertical movement generates powerful thrust, allowing whales to navigate the vastness of the oceans. These adaptations, honed over millions of years, transformed the ancestors of whales into swimming specialists. Their bodies became perfectly suited for life in the water, from their streamlined shapes to their powerful tails. These changes marked the final stages of their transformation from land mammals to the majestic creatures we know as whales today. Section 6. The giants of the sea, baleen whales, evolve. Around 34 million years ago, a new group of whales emerged, the baleen whales. Unlike their toothed ancestors, baleen whales developed rows of baleen plates in their mouths instead of teeth. Baleen is a fibrous material that hangs down from the upper jaw. It acts like a giant sieve, trapping enormous quantities of small prey such as krill and other zooplankton from the water. This innovative feeding strategy allowed baleen whales to exploit a vast and previously untapped food source. By filtering huge volumes of water, they could consume massive amounts of food, leading to their gigantic size. Blue whales, the largest animals on Earth, are baleen whales, highlighting the evolutionary success of this feeding mechanism. The evolution of baleen whales led to a remarkable diversification of these gentle giants. Today there are 15 species of baleen whales, each with its unique adaptations for filtering food. From the humpback whale's acrobatic bubble net feeding to the right whale's slow, continuous skimming, baleen whales showcase the incredible diversity and adaptability of life in the ocean. Section 7. Echoes in the Deep, the rise of toothed whales. While baleen whales were evolving to become gentle giants, another group of whales, the toothed whales, took a different evolutionary path. As their name suggests, toothed whales retained their teeth, allowing them to hunt a wider variety of prey, including fish, squid, and even other marine mammals. Toothed whales also developed echolocation, a remarkable sensory system that uses sound waves to navigate and hunt in the dark depths of the ocean. Echolocation works by emitting high-frequency clicks and then listening for the echoes that bounce back from objects in the water. By analyzing these echoes, toothed whales can create a detailed sound picture of their surroundings, allowing them to navigate, find food, and avoid predators in complete darkness. This remarkable ability opened up new ecological niches for toothed whales, allowing them to thrive in diverse marine environments. Today, toothed whales represent the majority of whale species with over 70 different types. This group includes dolphins, porpoises, sperm whales, and beaked whales, each with its own unique adaptations and hunting strategies. From the intelligence and social complexity of dolphins to the deep-diving prowess of sperm whales, toothed whales showcase the incredible diversity and adaptability of this lineage. Section 8. Modern marvels, whales in today's ocean. Whales, in their many forms, play a crucial role in maintaining the health of our oceans. As apex predators, they help regulate populations of their prey, ensuring the balance of marine ecosystems. Their movements across vast distances contribute to nutrient cycling, transporting essential nutrients from the depths to the surface. Whales also play a vital role in carbon sequestration. Through their feeding habits and the eventual sinking of their carcasses to the ocean floor, whales contribute to the removal of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, helping to mitigate the effects of climate change. Protecting these ocean giants is therefore crucial not only for their own survival, but also for the health of our planet. However, whales face numerous threats, many of which are human-induced. Entanglement in fishing gear, habitat degradation, ship strikes, and noise pollution all pose significant challenges to whale populations worldwide. Climate change also presents a growing threat, altering ocean temperatures, currents, and the availability of prey. Addressing these threats is paramount to ensuring the survival of these magnificent creatures for generations to come. Section 9. A legacy in the waves, protecting the ocean giants. The story of whales is a testament to the power of evolution and the interconnectedness of life on Earth. Their journey from land to sea is a remarkable tale of adaptation and survival, showcasing the incredible diversity that life can achieve. As we continue to learn more about these fascinating creatures, we are constantly amazed by their intelligence, social complexity, and their vital role in maintaining the health of our oceans. It is our responsibility to protect these awe-inspiring creatures and ensure their continued survival. Through responsible whale watching, supporting sustainable fishing practices, reducing our carbon footprint, and advocating for policies that protect whales and their habitats, we can all play a part in ensuring that the legacy of these ocean giants continues to grace our planet for generations to come. Their story is a reminder that we are all connected to the natural world and that the fate of these magnificent creatures is ultimately intertwined with our own.